Are you feeling stressed out? Like the weight of the world is on your shoulders? Don't worry, my friend. You are not alone. If you are an IT professional, stress is not just a feeling, it's part of your job description. Deliverables, never ending team calls, and the one client who always says just 5 minutes more. But wait, before you pull out your hair, if you have any left, I got some three simple stress hacks which is going to make your life less like a glitchy server and more like a smooth coding. Are you ready to debug your mind? Stick around, watch the video till the end, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. Hi there, welcome to this channel. I'm Manoj Kumar Venugopal. I'm your friendly neighborhood techie turned wellness architect. This video is dedicated to my tech bros and the coding queens who have been fighting deadlines, deliverables, and the one manager who always emails at 11:59 p.m. I see you, I'm there for you. Stress is inevitable, but suffering, no, it's not on my watch. Today, I'm going to give you some three simple hacks which will help you to stay cool, calm, and collected even when the production goes down or client is on hold. So, it's not all yoga. Let's go. First of all, let's understand stress. Stress is like your college friend who never leaves. He's everywhere on your emails, on your DMs, even in your dreams. If you are at home and you're thinking, I'll relax and sleep, suddenly your mind replays that awkward moment from your 10 a.m. stand up call. Why are we so stressed? It's simple. We are always on 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. work hours. Yes, you heard me right. Forget 9 to 5 and also two late night calls with the US clients. It's like the never ending cricket match where the stumps does not go down. So your brain never gets a break. So if your brain is on overdrive, your body goes like, boss, I'm shutting down. But don't worry, I got some three simple tricks which will help you to hit the control all del on this madness. The first hack is 555 breathe. Sounds fancy, right? So, but believe me, it's a lot more simpler than your mom's dal recipe. Here is how it works. Inhale for 5 seconds, hold for 5 seconds, and then exhale for 5 seconds. But if you have never done breathing exercise before, my request to you is like initially you start with inhale for 5 seconds and exhale for 5 seconds. Then a week later you can add a holding for 5 seconds as well. So you have to repeat this for 5 times. Then you will be instantly calm. It's like rebooting your server without calling the tech support. So the scientific fact is it activates your parasympathetic nerve system, which otherwise is your chill mode, which tells your body, relax, bro, there is no danger here. And also, you don't need a meditation app or a Himalayan cave to do this. Just grab a chair. You will feel like a Zen monk. Try this before your stand up call, and your boss is going to thank you for finding your peace. And also, he might give you the early appraisal you wanted. The second hack is the stop method. You don't need to stop the work, though I would like to do that. Here's how it works. S stands for stop the work, literally pause for 30 seconds. Then T stands for uh, take a deep breath by closing your eyes. O is for observe what's happening inside. Uh, like ask yourself, are you angry, anxious, or just hungry? P is to proceed with the plan. Like drink water, stretch, or if everything fails, go for a tea break. So this trick's magic lies in the awareness. The moment you press the pause button, your mind calms down. Instead of reacting, you respond with a logic. And before you scream, who pushed it? Stop. Your sanity will thank you. The third hack is 2 minutes desi detox. No, you don't need the green juices or kale smoothies. Here is the deal. For every 60 to 90 minutes, you take a 2 minutes break and do any of these things. Either You look away from your screen, not on Instagram, the real wall, or look outside your window. The next is you can take a deep breath or you can stretch your back and shoulders. The technique is not going to go on its own. Drink water, you too deserve it, and or you can massage your temples so that you will feel almost like you are in a Kerala spa. Though 2 minutes might seem like very small, but believe me, it's like hitting the save on your Word doc. You will agree, like you will not risk your progress just because you are too busy, right? And you are not a robot to work without a break. So even robots reboot. Let's recap, my fellow IT warriors. Stress is real, but it does not mean it has to ruin your life. These are the three power moves which can help. The number one, the 555 breathe, breathe like a boss. Two, the stop method, where you pause, breathe, and respond with logic. Three is 2 minutes desi detox. You take a micro break and refresh your system. Try these for just 1 week and you will notice a big difference in your stress level. Your stress level will drop like the app crashes on a release night. And if your team still stresses you, just send this video to them with a wink emoji. They will get the message. If this video made you laugh, breathe, and also you resonate with whatever I said till now, then like this video, drop a comment, and also tell me what is the first hack you are going to try. Also, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and join me in this journey where we together create a world where health, success, and happiness all go hand in hand. Until next time, do remember the remote control for the stress is in your own hands. See you soon. Let's thrive abundantly.